Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Circuits. In this video, we will focus on Kirchhoff's current law. We will see nodal analysis and also do numerical practice. Before starting, let's do quick revision. If you had not watched previous video, kindly click above. In previous video, we had discussed terms associated with circuit analysis, Kirchhoff's voltage law and also practiced on numerical. So now let's get started. Here we are going to see Kirchhoff's current law, also known as KCL. It may be defined as algebraic sum of all electrical current meeting at junction or a node point is equal to 0. Friends, here we need to focus on two terms, algebraic sum and junction point. To elaborate this concept, let's consider a simple circuit. I am considering a point as a node or junction and some branches are meeting at the point. So for these branches, I am giving a random value of current and direction. Friends, for understanding this concept of algebraic sum, we need to consider some sign configuration. Here, incoming current will be denoted by positive sign, while outgoing current should be denoted by negative sign. Hence, in our case, we can see that two currents are entering to the node, so they are denoted by plus sign and rest are denoted by negative sign. In simple language, we can say that summation of all incoming currents to the node is equal to summation of all outgoing currents. Kirchhoff's law is also known as law of conservation of charge. In this phase of video, we will see application of KCL, also known as nodal analysis. Let's consider a simple circuit with one voltage source, one current source and couple of resistors. Suppose we need to find current flowing from all the resistors. For that purpose, we are gonna define some steps. Friends, first we identify the node. Here there are two nodes. After selecting the nodes, we need to select one reference node. Potential of that reference node is considered as 0 volt. Here, by three various techniques, we can determine the branch current. So, technique number 1. Branch consists of only current source. Then, the value of that current source will become the branch current of that 2 points A and B. Another case is when branch is having only resistor. Friends, in this case, let's assume 2 points A and B and consider that current is flowing from A to B. It means point A is at higher potential. So, as per the Ohm's law, branch current will be ratio of potential difference of the 2 points to the resistor. Suppose current is flowing B to A, then point B will be at higher potential. Now, in the last case, we are considering a resistor and a voltage source is connected with branch. So, when we are finding the current from such a branch, direction of mentioned voltage source plays important role. In our case, battery and resistor is connected with point A and B. Now, we are assuming that current is flowing from point A to B. Since I have considered point A as a higher potential, now current is passing positive to negative inside the battery. So, battery will act like voltage drop. As a result, negative V is written. Hence, current is ratio of potential difference to the resistor connected to it. When current is flowing from B to A, this voltage source will act like voltage riser. By these three techniques, we can find the node voltage. Let's make concept stronger by solving one example. In the circuit diagram, 20 volt voltage source and 2 ampere current source is connected with two resistors like this. There are total two nodes marked as VA and VB. Here, friends, VB is taken as a reference node. Now, before applying KCL, let's mark current in the branch. Here, 3 branches can be seen. For node A, current I1 is entering while I2 and I3 is leaving the node. So, KCL equation can be written as mentioned. Now, as seen earlier, in branch I1, voltage source and a resistor is connected. As current is flowing from B to A, here potential difference is VB minus VA. However, battery will act like voltage riser, as current is passing negative to positive inside the battery. Friends, here I2 is 2 ampere current source, so it is directly written. For the I3 is passing through VA to VB, and only resistor is connected in between. So current equation can be written as VA by 2. After simplifying this equation, we will get node voltage VA equal to 8 volt. From this voltage, we can find current through each branches. And as we got the branch current using Ohm's law, we can also calculate the voltage across all the elements. Let's do one more example. Here, consider the circuit diagram. In this circuit, we are gonna find current through 100 ohm resistor. From the circuit diagram, total 3 nodes can be marked by VA, VB and VC as a reference node. Here, we are assuming current from 5 branches. At node A, current I1 and I2 is entering while current I3 is leaving. Same as node B, current I3 and I4 is entering while current I5 is leaving. Friends, I1 current is flowing from node C to node A, and voltage source and resistor is connected between 2 nodes. Hence, current equation can be written as mentioned. In the circuit, I2 equal to 1 ampere is given. Current I3 is passing through node A to B, so current equation will be ratio of VA minus VB to 30. Same as I1, I4 is coming from node C to B, with having one voltage source and one resistor in the path. Here, current is flowing negative to positive, so 40 volt battery will act like voltage riser. Finally, I5 can be found by ratio of VC to 100 ohms. After equating I2 and I1 and I3 in node A equation and I3, I4 and I5 in node B equation, we will get 2 simple equations. By simply mathematical steps, node voltage VA and VB is calculated, and those are 67.48 volt and 40 volt respectively. By putting VB in equation I5, we are getting 0.48 ampere passing through 100 ohm resistor. After this video, we can conclude that we have gained about Kirchhoff's current law. We have also seen nodal analysis, and we practice on the numerical based on nodal analysis and KCL. In upcoming video, we will see Thevenin's theorem. We'll also solve the problems based on Thevenin's theorem. Stay tuned for upcoming video. Kindly do like, share and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching.